Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Chrome Pro is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly home haircutting kits available on the market, designed to give you professional-looking results without the salon price tag. Whether you're a seasoned barber or a complete beginner looking to save time and money on haircuts, this all-in-one system offers everything you need to achieve a clean, precise cut every time, making it an excellent investment for any household seeking convenience and quality in their grooming routine. Number 5. Wahl Professional 5-Star Magic Clip Cordless Clipper. Introducing the Wahl Professional 5-Star Series Magic Clip Cordless Hair Clipper. Experience professional-grade precision and versatility for all your grooming needs. Its unique stagger tooth blade is designed for seamless blending and fading. Achieve sharp lines and intricate styles with ease. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation, allowing for unrestricted movement. This tool offers unparalleled convenience for barbers and stylists. With over 100 minutes of run time on a single charge, you can power through multiple haircuts without interruption. It's built for endurance. Trusted by professionals worldwide, this clipper delivers exceptional performance and durability. It's an essential addition to any salon or barbershop. What we like. This one features a unique stagger tooth blade for superior blending and fading. Its cordless design offers ultimate freedom of movement. If you're a barber or stylist looking for precision and flexibility, this is your go-to tool. What people say. The Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro comes with a full set of attachments, including various comb sizes for different hair lengths, scissors, a comb, a cleaning brush, and oil. The self-sharpening blades are made of high-carbon steel, ensuring durability and a clean cut every time. The ergonomic design of the clipper makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, reducing hand fatigue during use. Number 4. Wahl Rechargeable Cordless Haircutting and Trimming Kit 79434. Introducing the Wahl Rechargeable Cordless Grooming Kit. Achieve a professional look at home with its versatile functionality for heads, beards, and body. Enjoy the freedom of cordless use or the reliability of corded power. This kit offers a seamless grooming experience for all your needs. From sharp haircuts to maintaining longer beards, it delivers precision and control. Get the perfect trim every time, effortlessly. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making grooming easy and efficient. Experience ultimate convenience with this all-in-one solution. This kit is your ultimate companion for head-to-toe grooming. It's designed to handle all your styling needs with ease and precision. Trust in Wahl's renowned quality for durable performance. This rechargeable kit is built to last, providing reliable grooming for years to come. What we like. Enjoy the convenience of both corded and cordless use with this versatile kit. It's designed for longer beards and comprehensive body grooming. If you need a single tool for all your grooming needs, from head to toe, this is the perfect all-in-one solution. What people say. The Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro comes with a full set of attachments, including various comb sizes for different hair lengths, scissors, a comb, a cleaning brush, and a blade guard. The self-sharpening blades are made of high-carbon steel, ensuring durability and a precise cut every time. The ergonomic design of the clipper makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even during extended use. Number 3. Wahl Clipper USA Chrome Pro Hair Kit. Achieve professional quality haircuts at home with this comprehensive hair cutting kit. It includes everything you need for a precise and clean cut every time. The powerful corded clipper ensures consistent performance for all your cutting needs. Its reliable design makes it a staple for any grooming routine. For added convenience, a cordless battery trimmer is included. This allows for easy touch-ups and detailed work without being tethered by a cord. Perfect your style with the included styling shears. These are designed for precision trimming and shaping, giving you complete control over your look. This all-in-one kit provides a complete grooming solution for head to toe. Experience the quality and versatility that makes at-home haircuts effortless. Trust in the quality of Wahl for a perfect cut every time. This kit is designed for durability and performance, ensuring satisfaction with every use. What we like. This kit offers the consistent power of a corded clipper combined with the portability of a cordless trimmer. It even includes styling shears for detailed work. If you want reliable power for main cuts and the flexibility for touch-ups and styling, this deluxe set is ideal. What people say. The Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro comes with a full set of attachments, including various comb sizes for different hair lengths, scissors, a comb, a cleaning brush, and oil. The self-sharpening blades are made of high-carbon steel, ensuring durability and a consistently sharp cut for long-term use. The ergonomic design of the clipper makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, reducing hand fatigue during extended grooming sessions. Number 2. Wahl Home Haircutting Corded Clipper Kit. Achieve professional-looking haircuts in the comfort of your home. This kit makes trimming and styling simple and convenient. Take full control of your haircut with the adjustable taper lever. Easily switch between different lengths for the perfect finish every time. Never guess the right guard size again. Our 10 color-coded guards ensure quick and easy selection for any desired length. Experience consistent power with its corded design. It's built for durability and performance, ensuring a smooth cutting experience. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a great haircut. It's the ideal tool for maintaining your style with ease. What we like. Achieve precise haircuts with its adjustable taper lever and easily select your desired length with the 10 color-coded guards. This kit makes home haircuts simple and efficient. If you're new to home haircuts or want a straightforward, user-friendly experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro is a great clipper set that comes with a wide variety of attachments for different hair lengths. The self-sharpening blades ensure a clean and precise cut every time, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use. This clipper set is perfect for both home use and professional barbers, offering a powerful motor for smooth cutting through all hair types. Number 1. Novah Professional Hair Clippers for Men. Introducing the Novah Professional Hair Clippers, designed for the modern man. Achieve barber-quality haircuts with unparalleled ease and precision, right in your own home. Experience the freedom of cordless operation. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, giving you complete control for intricate styling and perfect fades. Engineered for professional results, this clipper set delivers exceptional performance. It effortlessly cuts through all hair types, making it ideal for barbers and home users alike. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a complete haircut. From fades to trims, it's your go-to tool for maintaining your signature look. Elevate your grooming routine with this versatile clipper. It's the perfect blend of power, precision, and convenience for a flawless finish every time. What we like. Designed for professional barbers, this set offers cordless freedom for intricate fades and trims. It's a powerful tool for creating sharp, clean lines. If you're a professional barber or someone who demands salon-quality results at home, this clipper and trimmer set will not disappoint. What people say. The Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro is a powerful and versatile clipper set that comes with a wide range of accessories, including various comb attachments, scissors, a comb, a cleaning brush, and a blade oil. The self-sharpening blades are made of high-carbon steel and are designed to stay sharp for a long time, ensuring a smooth and precise cut every time. The ergonomic design of the Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even during extended grooming sessions. The corded design provides consistent power, so you don't have to worry about battery life. The included storage case keeps all the accessories organized and protected, making it easy to transport or store the clipper set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.